In this video, I will show you how to add shadows to a photo for a 3D look in Canva. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. First, you need to upload your image. Once you have uploaded your image, make sure your photo is selected. Then tap Edit, then select Click. You then want to click the objects that you would like to add a shadow around. So I will select Caitlin. I will then go to Magic Studio and select Magic Grab. Once it has finished processing, you can then move her image around, but we will keep her where she is. You then go back to Edit, scroll down to Shadows, and select the type of shadow that you want. So you can add a glow, a drop, or an outline. For this video, we are going to go to Outline. You can then select the size of the outline. So we are going to keep it around 17. You then can go and change the color. So I'm going to go for a yellow outline. And you can also toggle the intensity of the outline. And if I would like to do the same for myself, I would follow the same process. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.